Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your doorknob on your door. The reason we're replacing this one is because we've been having a bit of an issue with it. As you can see, it looks a little weird. It's turned a bit, and it's not supposed to be that way, and also it's kind of coming apart when it's not supposed to. So doorknobs probably should not be doing that. We really don't want to mess with it, and we went ahead and replaced and bought a new one to replace this old one that doesn't seem to be working as it should. So some of the stuff you're going to be needing, and the stuff that'll come with the doorknob when you purchase it new. This is going to be some of the items. This is what the new one looks like. I think the only thing you will need is a screwdriver or a drill. Either one will work. First thing you have to do is remove the old doorknob, and by doing so you will need to remove this screw and that screw, and the rest should be fairly easy. So after you manage to take those two screws off and take the rest of the doorknob on your inside off, it will look something similar to this. Next thing you will need to do is remove these two screws and remove the rest of the doorknob. Once your door looks similar to this, then the first thing you will need to do is put this device in. So just put it in as so. You go ahead and screw this back in, put your two screws back in there. Okay, so after your two screws are back in, it should look something like this. Okay, so the next thing you will do is put this part of the doorknob on. Now your key would be out, right? Because you don't want to try to unlock it from the inside, because that wouldn't be right. So as you can see, there's an actual way that this goes, so we want to go ahead and line that up just with that as well. So what I just did there is, if your doorknob does not fit and it kind of hits your outside here, you need to move that little switch over. And that's what happened to me here. And as you can see, my doorknob seems to be fitting here, and we are in. So it should fit flush just like that. So as you can see, it fits in a little circular washer type thing. So sometimes it will be placed on this side, and all you need to do if your doorknob does not fit or hits the side of your door, you need to just slide it over, and then your doorknob will fit. Your next step will be putting the actual interior doorknob on. Almost the same process. There's a square notch. You have to line it up with your square notch here, and this one's actually going to be your locking mechanism. So if you turn that, it will lock. So you gotta kind of line up both. So after your interior doorknob is on, you go ahead and screw these two screws back in, and your job should be complete. So guys, I did leave out one little accessory and detail. This device right here, sometimes you can get by with using the old one, and I went ahead and did so to save me some time. So as you can see, the one on the actual house is still intact, so I went ahead and left that one on. We're about to find out and see if that one's going to work. It should, because these are fairly universal. They're going to be used for most doorknobs, but you may or may not need to change this. And it's just as simple as taking the doorknob off. You remove these two screws and you put the new one in just as so. So let's go ahead and try our new doorknob out. We put our 2 new screws in right there and right there. Seems like it's turning just how it should be. And it works great. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks a lot.